أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم به أستعين في جميع الأمور اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد وبارك وسلم وارحم وترحم كما صليت وسلم على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Blessed, climate smart February and Shab Meraj, Laylatul Meraj. Greetings from President of SAMS TQLMA Club, engaged in making 8 billion SAMS Tesla 53 PGCs gold coin and 353 grams gold bars for economic re-engineering of Mother Earth. Everyone can participate in our program by simply owning one share of SAMS TQLMA Club of $88 to earn 5,300 PGCs, $8,800 to enroll in Global Executive MBA in Climate Smart Business with Traction and become 1 million PGC director of SAMS TQLMA Club in 53 months. The director's target for February is to send $10 million to Musk Foundation, and they can do that by simply enrolling 1,500 mothers in SAMS TQLMA Club Life Membership and STEM graduates in Global Executive MBA, in Climate Smart Business with Traction, and 253 PGCs, PIMSET diploma in Climate Smart Tijaarat with Traction, 6 months program, which everyone can join to learn climate smart business with traction. All parents are encouraged to join this program along with their children. So we are ready to really make 2024 and 1446 Hijri peaceful, climate smart year by delighting billion Muslims with unique gift of Saadah of Hajj and sustainable income, along with the ownership of 100 shares of SAMS TQLMA Club high technology companies, to own 2,000 square yards farmhouse with Tesla truck in Dallas, Texas, and Bakersfield, California. My name is Dr. Mufaddal Mirza. I acquired my basic education from chemical engineering, from the Audience Engineering and Technology, but master's in chemical engineering from Wayne State University, PhD in food science from University of Urbana-Champaign. Did postdoctoral research in Nova Scotia, Canada, started at Procter & Gamble in Pakistan, and served as Associate Professor of Industrial Engineering and Management, where my MBA students converted from Quality Life Maintenance Association into TQLMA, and today SAMS TQLMA Club is being enhanced, is being incorporated by our management company EMCI LLC in all countries of our world as a foreign direct investment company to get the benchmark incentives from global governments to delight all families and businesses of our world enjoy inflation-free total quality life. My WhatsApp number is 923353777005. I'm also available on Telegram via 333-228-2257 to enable everyone to schedule a session like this to solve your individual, family, and business problems with money back guarantee. My charges are per session is 100 PGCs, 110 PGCs, but it will be available to SAMS TQLMA club member for 72 PGCs, and with the guarantee that in 72 days they will be able to earn 72 PGCs, or we will return their money back. सारे खुश नसीब ख़वातीन हजरात बच्चे जो मक्का मुअज़्ज़मा में मदीना मुनव्वरा में बैतुल मक़दिस में करबला मोहल्ला में नजफ़ अशरफ में रहते हैं, हमारे एक मखास दुआ करें कि हमारी ये उम्मीद कि हम 2 बिलियन मुसलमानों को हज का फरीज़ा अदा करने के साथ साथ उनको रिज़्क़ हलाल भी मुहैया करें। ये उम्मीद हमारी 2024 के अंदर तमाम होगी। तो खुश नसीब हुज्जाज किराम जो हज का फरीज़ा अदा कर चुके हैं, तो बाकी लोगों को $8800 का कर्जा मुहैया कर दें ताकि और 100 शेयर्स ऑफ HLT वर्ल्ड लिमिटेड के मालिक बने और अपना मकान हासिल करें in 1000 days in SAMS Wheel of Life Farm School Tesla Powered और Saadah टावर्स जो मुकद्दस मकाम पर भी बना रहे हैं ताकि ज़ुबान के नाम की और हुज्जाज के नाम की बेहतरीन तरफ पहुँचा सकें। पैगाम सब तक पहुँचाएँ और सबको हमारे इस प्रोग्राम के अंदर शामिल करें। शुक्रान जज़ीला। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला सय्यिदिना मुहम्मद व अला आलि सय्यिदिना मुहम्मद वसल्लम वरहम करम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद व आखिर दावाना अनिल हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन।